Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you want to fix that black screen or that white screen that appears on the upper left of your PC screen at startup, well, now I'm going to share the fix. I was waiting for a few days before sharing it because the fix was new and I wanted to make sure that it doesn't cause anything special to happen, but people are reporting that the browser works fine after the fix. So you've got that problem. You can actually fix it yourself easily. What you're going to do is go into search. You're going to type taskschd.msc and you're going to press enter. This is going to bring up the task scheduler. Now here you're going to expand the task scheduler and click on Google User PEH. And here you will see that you have Run Platform Experience Helper on Unlock. All you have to do is click the disable on the right side of your screen. And that's it. You should not have any black screen, any white screen at startup after this fix. It's as simple as that. And it doesn't cause any issue with Chrome. Chrome seems to work fine after the change. So, and I did go with, online with Chrome and try all sorts of things. It definitely doesn't affect anything. And it seems to be something that just, is there for startup purposes. So I will actually put the command line that you have to type in the search, which is taskschd.msc. And there, just follow the instruction and going into the same place. I'll show you again just in case. taskschd.msc, enter, go into just expand the task schedule library, go into Google User PEH, and here all you'll have to do is disable the option. You see here mine's now disabled, so it just shows enabled if I want to start it again. So basically it will it says here it runs Platform Experience Helper when screen is unlocked. So that is probably what causes that square that we see. Now you've disabled it, it is going to be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.